Okay guys, so I saw a recipe on how to make Crunchwrap Supremes at home. And since it's Taco Tuesday, we are doing it. So, oh, they better not all be broken. Okay, let's get this show on the road. So, you need a large tortilla to start with. So I have the tortilla. Then I have the Tostitos salsa con queso cheese. This one's going to be Adri, so I'm not going to put a ton. You spread the cheese around like the cheese sauce on your Crunchwrap at Taco Bell. Who doesn't love Taco Bell? We all do. Okay. And then you put on the meat. Oh shoot, I need to get my skillet warm. So you scatter your meat around. It's just regular taco meat, just hamburger with taco seasoning. So there's your meat. They had huge soft tortillas that were like, I mean, ginormous, but I just went with this. I think they're just called large. Next, you put on one of these tostadas. So you put that on top. And on there, you add the sour cream.
Yeah.
It's already shredded up too. I can get a hole in it.
That's my hand.
Let me just cut a hole in the bag.
The knife.
Okay, so we got some lettuce. Is that enough lettuce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lettuce.
Uh-oh, I just hit the camera. Sorry, guys. And then tomatoes. Adrian loves tomatoes.
So does Allie.
Yeah, and Allie's just having a soft taco. Is that enough tomatoes?
Mm-hmm.
So there's tomatoes.
That actually looks so good.
And then we put the cheese.
And there's also a cheese sauce that Mom put on in the first part of the video.
Yep, they saw that. And now, as that my skillet is heated up, so now you just fold them in. Like they do at Taco Bell. I'm so excited. I hope this is good.
Can I get a little bite of sour cream?
You just want sour cream by itself?
Uh-huh. It's good.
And I'm going to flip it over and put it in the skillet just to toast it up a second. Okay guys, so here it is. Here's the one side. As the other side looks just like Taco Bell's. The cheese kind of oozes out and makes a little closure. That's good.
Told you. Oh, she's not even opening her mouth to get it. There you go.
It's dripping in our hand. Looks just like Taco Bell's. What's it missing? Who needs more sour cream?
I don't think it's missing anything.
Now, all the time at Taco Bell, I'm definitely getting this. It tastes exactly.